We wanted our collection to be a change for Mirage. That's why we called it Transition. Transition is a transformation from a status to another, from a scene to another. The idea of Transition is a collection that is in movement. It's a collection that is derived from an ideal trip, a trip from the south to the north of Italy that touches different cities. A trip from Lecce to Matera, from Matera to Ostuni, and from Milano to Torino. The souls of these collections are two. One is very Italian in the way it's linked to Italian cities and the urban landscapes. And the other is really Italian because it's looking at the texture of the handmade high Italian craft. We like this idea of the imperfection left by the craftsman hand as being something to be treasured and to be underlined instead of something to be deleted. That's why we try and freeze this imperfection into the tiles. When you see Transition by far, it might only see a light effect hitting on a tile, whereas the closer you get, the more attention to the detail you can see. There has been a big work to layering all these textures to create this very soft kind of appearance. When we first met Mirage, we were really surprised by all the technical knowledge they got. We found that was a little of a pity that many of the collections though were trying and imitate other natural surfaces. We do believe that porcelain stoneware has such a strong identity and its voice should speak by itself. That's why we have been trying and give it a new voice, a new face.
The result of our research is a collection able to fit multiple uses, from residential to commercial, indoor to outdoors, for floor, wall, and facade coverings. We designed the various sizes and elements not just to decorate, but also to highlight paths and divide or even enlarge the perception of spaces.
We believe that surfaces are actually the heart of the living space. We like to think they are protagonists only in the moment you stare at them and they disappear when you don't want to see them. But still, it's obvious that they play an important role into how do we feel. It's not a leather, it's not a textile, it's Transition.